read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. It's time to activity. Let's start with me and circle the given picture that start with the relevant letter. Could you see on your screen? Here is elephant, here is dog, and they have given the letter E. The sound of E is says dog. No. Says elephant. Let's circle with me. Very good. The next letter is letter F. Speak out F. And the sound of F is. Here is frog and hat. Hat? No. Frog. So, and circle it. Very good. The next letter is letter G. And the given pictures are hat and goat. G says go. G says go. Go, go. Yes, goat. Very good. And the last letter that is given over here, H. There are two pictures. Could you see? Yummy, juicy, red apple and hen. H says H says hen. Very good. On next page, there is another activity, but you will do it by yourself. Here are 4 letters and different vocabulary words. Now, you will read the letter, their sounds, and the picture they have given over there. You will match the relevant letter to the relevant picture. Very good. Now, I want to say thank you and Allah Hafiz.